Literally, this is not a metaphor. You are doing this shifting between different versions of Earth billions of times per second. So it's always 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. The definition you have of where you are determines what you actually experience. And just because you might be able to still observe a reality you don't prefer doesn't mean it affects you. At this point on your planet, it's what we call the splitting prism. You're getting more and more actual, concrete, visceral experience of realizing that you can observe realities and different versions of Earth that aren't what you prefer, but that you're not going to be affected by them because it's almost like there are glass walls separating them all. So you can still see them, but they can't get to you until you decide to align with it. So it's not this planet. It's a whole bunch of different versions of Earth, and whatever changes you make within yourself over time ultimately determines more and more and more which version you will experience, and ultimately experience nothing else.
Will we ever experience, like your civilization had that Shikana moment where you went to sleep for 3 days? Will we experience
You have
anything
your
like
own version of that idea. Yes, it won't be identical, but yes, you're heading, if you make those choices, to a version of that awakening, yeah.
And how is the window of contact looking currently?
It's looking pretty good. Somewhere between, again, your year of 2025, maybe 2033, 2040 at the outside. A lot of that will depend upon what happens in this pivotal year.
Okay. And how far is your ship above Bell Rock currently?
It's about 5,000 miles.
Okay. It's dropped a bit.
Yeah.
Good. And what's your take on...
The reason that question is being asked is because at one time we mentioned that the distance our ship is above Bell Rock and how much lower it gets is actually like a barometer of how close you're getting to open contact.